Hey, what's up everyone, Richard Aguilar is back with another amazing video. So today we are exploring China's latest groundbreaking innovations, from record-breaking rockets to AI-driven satellites and revolutionary eVTOLs. Stay tuned to discover how these advancements are reshaping technology and our future. But before I get you in, you better subscribe and ring the notification bell for you to always be updated with our latest content. So now, let's begin.
China's Gravity 1 rocket has set a new benchmark for solid propellant carrier rockets. Launched from a service ship off Haiyang's coast in Xinjiang province, this 30-meter tall rocket successfully sent 3 satellites into orbit. With a liftoff thrust of 600 tons, Gravity 1 can send spacecraft weighing up to 4.2 tons to a 500-kilometer sun-synchronous orbit. Developed by Orion Space, the rocket features self-developed all-solid bundling technologies and 4 side boosters that double its carrying capacity. This innovation makes Gravity 1 ideal for deploying large satellite groups in low and mid-altitude orbits and for emergency response missions, representing a significant leap in China's space launch capabilities. The successful launch marks a milestone in China's journey towards enhancing its space technology, solidifying its position as a key player in the global space industry. China's pioneering eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing, aircraft, named Prosperity, is set to transform travel by 2026. Developed by Autoflight, this 5-seat aircraft completed its first intercity demonstration flight, reducing the travel time between Shenzhen and Zhuhai from 3 hours to just 20 minutes. Prosperity measures 11 meters long and 3 meters high, capable of carrying 5 passengers with a cruise speed of 200 kilometers per hour and a maximum flying distance of 250.3 kilometers. Additionally, it features a cargo variant with a 400-kilogram capacity. This innovation marks a significant advancement in urban air mobility, promising faster, more efficient travel. The development of Prosperity highlights China's commitment to advancing cutting-edge transportation technologies, aiming to revolutionize urban travel and reduce congestion in metropolitan areas. A Chinese commercial space company has launched an AI-driven satellite that utilizes virtual reality technology to capture and transmit stunning videos of Earth from space. This approach significantly reduces costs compared to traditional methods. The satellite's advanced AI capabilities enable it to capture high-quality images and videos, providing a cost-effective solution for space observation. The founder and CEO of the company highlight the potential of this technology to revolutionize the way we view and interact with space, offering new opportunities for research and commercial applications. This innovation not only enhances the efficiency of space observation but also opens up new avenues for educational and entertainment purposes, making space exploration more accessible to the public. Researchers at Beihang University have developed an innovative electrostatic motor for a palm-sized solar-powered drone, inspired by everyday static electricity phenomena. This new design addresses the overheating issues of traditional electromagnetic motors in micro-aerial vehicles, improving energy conversion efficiency. The drone is exceptionally small and lightweight, with dimensions and weight significantly reduced compared to previous models. Utilizing natural sunlight as an energy source, this solar-powered drone represents a breakthrough in micro-aerial vehicle technology, showcasing China's leading edge in aeronautical research and development. The advancement signifies a step forward in creating more efficient and sustainable aerial vehicles, paving the way for future innovations in the field. Chinese companies have made significant strides in laser cutting technology, achieving high-level sci-tech self-reliance. Huagong Technology, based in Wuhan, developed a 3D 5-axis laser cutting machine capable of rotating 360 degrees and continuously cutting materials. This top-tier machine tool, crucial for the new energy vehicle industry, marks a shift from foreign dependency to domestic innovation. "12 years ago, such technology was monopolized by foreign countries, but now, China's advancements in laser cutting are setting new standards in the global industry. This breakthrough not only enhances manufacturing efficiency but also positions China as a leader in high-precision industrial technology, driving further advancements in various sectors. A Chinese research team has accelerated the development of humanoid robots using an AI-powered interface. The humanoid robot big factory interface enhances efficiency and precision in hardware design, algorithm selection, and model verification. This advanced AI technology streamlines the development process, allowing for rapid advancements in humanoid robotics. China's focus on AI-driven innovation is propelling the country to the forefront of the robotics industry, paving the way for future technological breakthroughs. The integration of AI in robotics development signifies a major leap towards creating more sophisticated and functional humanoid robots, capable of performing complex tasks and enhancing human life. Shenzhen, a major tech hub in Guangdong Province, has begun constructing China's first national-level biomanufacturing innovation center. This center aims to revolutionize the biomanufacturing sector by integrating cutting-edge technologies. The project signifies a new era in biomanufacturing, focusing on innovation and technological advancement. Once completed, the center will drive significant progress in the industry, positioning China as a leader in biomanufacturing technology and research. The establishment of this center underscores China's commitment to advancing biotechnological innovations, aiming to improve healthcare outcomes and foster sustainable development in the biomanufacturing sector.